Hello, my name is Antonio Felix, and I am the director of the Place Core program. We are excited that you are interested in learning more about Place Core. Place Core is Loyola Marymount University's nationally recognized Catholic teaching service program, housed in the Center for Catholic Education within the School of Education. Built upon three pillars: professional development, intentional community, and Ignatian spirituality, Place Core members earn a master's degree in urban education and a preliminary teaching credential, while serving as full-time teachers in primarily under-resourced Catholic schools in the Archdiocese of Los Angeles, Diocese of Orange, and Diocese of San Bernardino. During their 2-year commitment, program members live with one another in an intentional community while exploring and strengthening shared values rooted in Catholicism and providing inclusive experiences with a commitment to social justice. For the past 20 years, Place Core's fellows have been committed to serving students who come from historically disadvantaged communities, place social justice as central to their work as teachers, and stand as a testament to the Jesuit ideal of being men and women for and with others. Place Core graduates continue to have an impact in the field of education after completing their 2-year commitment. Place Core alumni include Fulbright scholars, PhD and EDD scholars. They serve in school leadership roles as principals, vice principals, athletic directors, and other administrative leadership roles. If you are seeking to make an immediate impact and difference in the world, and if you see teaching and Catholic education as your vehicle for change, we would love to tell you more about Place Core and share how placers have made significant changes in their students' lives for the past 2 decades. We're excited to meet you all, and we look forward to seeing you at our open house on March 10th to discuss how Place Core will help launch your teaching career. Thank you, and may God bless you.